Hey ladies, what is up? We're gonna be playing in some new makeup to me and some new skincare from Merit Beauty. I have to look over to the side from Merit Beauty. We have 4 new items over here, and I do have 2 other products that I previously have from Merit Beauty. So we're gonna get right into it. I do have their foundation stick. This is their what shade is this? The shade that I have in is Tiger Eyes. As you can see, I didn't fleck on my face. It blends out really nicely. We're gonna get into that in a few, but let me show you what I do have from Merit. This is the Great Skin. This is their instant glow serum. This is my 2nd bottle of this, so I'm just gonna show it to you and put it back in the bottle because I still have a bottle and I'm like halfway through it. So this is a nice full bottle, and you shake it up and you put this on. This is so nice. I like to use this, you can use it day and night, but I prefer to use it at night. Love this stuff. Love it, love it, love it. Merit has a nice moisturizer here. This is new to me, new. So let's see. I'm gonna put a little bit. This is good for dry skin. I can tell off the bat. This is gonna be amazing. No fragrance. You see a nice, good, healthy shine. I should have put a little bit on before I started my makeup. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're gonna put a little bit. I'll just go around where I pretty much did that. Ooh. Okay, let's blend in. Okay. I like Merit products. I really do. Especially for like mature skin. I really do. So I just went around because I didn't want to like mix it in there, but this is definitely a nice moisturizer. I put some primer on already, so it just kind of like layered it, but it's really nice. I like that. So next up, let's just keep going what we got here. This is the complexion stick. So as you guys can see, I have on the complexion stick in Tiger Eyes, which I use for my foundation. Like, you know, this is my shade for my skin. But I selected Camel because this is a lighter shade, and this is going to be for the under eye. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek right here. Okay, very light, but we're going to blend out. I probably could have went a tad darker, but we're gonna see how it works out. I think it's gonna be a good go, so I'm not too worried. And here we have the blending brush. I already have a blending brush, but you can never have too many, so we're gonna use this one today because we like brushes. This is the blending brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and get Tiger. So I also have a highlighter as well, so we can do like kind of a full face. We're just gonna focus on face. We're not even gonna worry about like eyes or anything like that. We're just focusing on the face. So let's just get in here and put this on. And this is so convenient for like traveling and things like that. Like, how many times have you traveled with makeup and your bag has just been a hot mess? I'll put some on the lid. Has been a hot mess. Let me tell you. Okay. I like this brush. See how this buffs everything out? I need a haircut so bad, y'all. I'm letting my hair grow out because, you know, we're in fall, and I want to go for more of a darker look up top, and I'm going to get rid of my part. So I have to grow it out to get rid of my part. I mean, I can still get my hair cut, if you will. And I'm seeing more grays. But I guess because I get my hair cut so short, I really never saw my grays. But baby, we are in full effect, especially on this side. We see them. They are there. Well, back to the foundation. I like this one because it's nice and light. And it doesn't feel heavy at all. You know how some foundations, you can definitely feel it. I do have foundations that I do have where I can feel it. Some of them are lighter than others. But something about Merit, they are really light. This is so light. Also, make sure you get your jawline. Do you see how this blends in? Just kind of like gives me more of a just kind of like evens my skin tone out. It's not changing or anything like that. It's just evening me out. Just, you know, compared to my forehead to now, just evening everything out. I'm gonna also use this to, let me see if I can blend out the concealer, just to kind of see if this brush will do, you know, for that. You see how this looks like? It's just giving me like a little airbrushy, just like that no makeup day. Like if you just running really late for work, or this is just that nice look. If you're running late for work, you're running late for church, and you just want to, you know, pull it together. That's exactly what this is. So let's go ahead and do this under eye business. Okay. And normally I will do something, this is a little bit more cooler than I would like, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna put just two like this, and like that. We're not gonna do too much, okay? And then for a highlight, I have everything linked down for you below. Okay. I'm gonna blend out the highlight first. I like this. This is nice, light, and subtle. I can definitely probably go over like my brow with this to kind of, you know, make it a little bit more glowy looking. This looks very healthy, very, very healthy. I'm not gonna use this to go, I'm not gonna use it for this right here. I'm not gonna do it for underneath my eye though. Okay. You see, nice and subtle. You still get a little highlight, a little, you know, but it's nice and subtle. And this brush is definitely doing wonders. I'm going to change brushes. I'm going to kind of pat this out, if you will. From looking here, I am gonna have to set, because this is definitely cooler, but it's definitely blending out nice, and it's definitely giving me a bright under eye, as you can see. Okay, let's get this nose. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie this up, and I'm going to set, and I'm going to use, you guys know what my favorite setting is, my bronzing, all the things. Put some liner on and pull this together. This is definitely a little bit more lighter than I would like, but we can make it work. You know, I just want to be honest, because you can definitely use these complexion sticks as concealers as well. So don't run, just pick the good shade for yourself. I went a little bit too light, but I do like the coverage. I do like the coverage. But we're gonna fix this up. You already know how I'm gonna do. Hold tight. Okay, ladies, so here's the final look. I'm loving it. It's nice and simple. I did to pull it together a little bit, kind of make things work. I did set my under eye. My under eye, I used my contour powder I like to use to kind of bring that down a little bit. But nevertheless, if you have a good powder that's kind of like on maybe a little bit lighter than your actual skin tone, it will work. So the actual camel was definitely nice. It worked out. It worked out. But ladies, if you are into a nice, simple, low effort makeup look where you use minimal products, Merit Beauty is for you. One-stop shop. You can get all you need. Very, very simple, easy to put on. As you saw, it's a stick foundation. We love that. We love that. But let me know your thoughts and opinions, and also let me know if you ever tried Merit Beauty. I will leave the links down below so you can go ahead and check it out and get you some money off and get you some products. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.